it's so festive. I'm going to show you a fun little gift, junk journal style, for little kids. Hey, it's Care. Welcome to my Take at the Lake. I know, you don't hear a lot about little kids here. I know. I wanted to show you this while I have the Christmas lights on. Those silver stars with the Christmas lights. We could just stare at this for the night, couldn't we? Isn't that just beautiful? So pretty. Let's see what the other ones look like. Not quite as fun. The lights on the glass look better than the stars in the jar, but it's all beautiful. I think we can do it by this light. It's pretty bright. Let's just do this. So it's going to be dim. Kind of like my personality tonight. Oh my God. So I'm going to give them a glue book kit. That's what I'm giving the littlest kids. 5 and under. These kids are older toddler to 5 years old, just starting preschool and kindergarten. And they have everything. You know, they have very wealthy grandparents, and so they need nothing. But they don't have a lot, I don't think. They have a lot of things to do. They have a lot of things to wear, and a lot of things to watch, and a lot of things to play with, but not a lot of things to do. So I'm going to get them started in the junk journal adventure early. So I went to Canva, and I made this how to make a glue book thingy-mabobber, and it's very simple. So if you've never done a glue book, here's some instructions. Tear pictures and words you like out of old magazines and catalogs, old books and newspapers too. Trim them up if you'd like, or cut them in square or rectangle or circle shapes. Glue them in your glue book in any way that makes you happy. Add stickers and stars and paints and markers if you like, and keep adding to it. Have fun. I will post this free on my Patreon page. If you'd like to get a copy, there's no sense in reinventing the wheel. If you want to do this, you're more than welcome to use this. On the side, it says can be themed too. Collect dogs, pets, colors, anything you want. Glue books can be themed as well as random. So that's their instruction sheet. I ordered these beautiful plastic mesh pouches from Amazon. I'll link that below. I think it was $5 for the 4, so they're about $1.25 per. But that will fit the composition books I got, which are here, but buried. We should probably do a clean and craft chat Christmas edition, because wow, I got stuff everywhere here. It's another reason we're working in the dark. It's just better that way sometimes. I ordered this 6-pack of composition books from Amazon. They come in navy blue, red, and green. Apparently they only sent me 1 navy blue and 3 greens. What is it with green these days? I ordered blueberry ice stickles. Oh, I've never wanted stickles a day in my life, but I saw blueberry ice and then I needed them. So I ordered blueberry ice stickles. And they were going to be here on Saturday. And so I kept checking, and they're going to be here on Saturday, and they're going to be here on Saturday. Friday, I looked at my Amazon orders to see what was coming and when, and it said, blueberry ice will be delivered today by 10 o'clock tonight. They're coming today. They're going to be early. I was so excited. And they got here, and as soon as I got my notification, I ran out on the porch, and I got my Amazon order off the porch, opened it up with great excitement. And they sent me green. Now, green is a beautiful color, and I know people love it. In fact, some people, it's their favorite color. Me, meh, I could give it or leave it. I don't care. I did not order green. I ordered blueberry ice and paid 8 times more than normal stickles cost. You can go to Ranger right now, by the way. They must be discontinuing stickles because you can get them for $1, $1.75, $2.75. I paid almost $9 for the blueberry ice and got green. So, of course, I'm sending it back. But I got 3 green composition books instead of 2 of each color. That kind of cheeses me off, too. Anyway, it's a nice... The reason I ordered them is, A, they're college rule, and they're 100 sheets. The ones you're getting at Walmart now are only 80. apparently they're always just going to be 80. That way they can keep them at 97 cents, but jip you out of 20 pages. But these were $2 a piece instead of 97 cents at Walmart. They are sewn, which is a good thing. So I got these pouches because the composition book fits neatly in there. Just perfectly. What I wanted was their glue book stuff to be all self-contained. That's the goal here. And truth be told, it was just a good excuse to go into the office supplies section at Meijer and shop like a crazy person. Speaking of shop like a crazy person, I went hauling last time. I'm not doing it ever again. But holy man, do I have a haul, St. Vinny's haul to show you. Stay tuned. Watch the space, because wow. So we have 3 little girls in our clan. We're gonna have a new baby boy come sometime in 2025. First boy in the family since 1972. Oh, he's gonna be so spoiled. The grandpas and the great grandpas can't even sit still. They're so excited. So blunt tip scissors in teal, pink, and purple. And I only had 2 of these left, so I'll have to find another one. Classic glitter glue in red, gold, blue, silver, and green. Little cool applicators that they can embellish their pages with. Color and glitz. Scented glue ×2. So there's that. And then I had this in my stash. I'm just going to give them each 2 of the Elmers, just for plain Jane glue. And some fun stickers from Gabby's Dollhouse. Little kitties and just fun stickers that they stick in their glue book pages. And of course, I'm going to go through my my stack of magazines and put in a couple of fun grown-up magazines, so that I think that would be fun for them to be able to tear up grown-up magazines and use real pictures instead of kid stuff, coloring books. And maybe that harkens back to my own childhood. I was the only child for quite a while of a lot of our family, so I was the only child. I was raised around adults, and so I got to do a lot of adult things like dinner theaters and travel and, beer gardens in Europe, all those fun things. Plus, I don't have a lot of kid stuff laying around, so I'm going to find each of them a few magazines that they can cut up and share and tear up and put into their glue books. I think they'll have fun with this. But of course, not everybody knows what a glue book is, so I had to make them their little glue book instructions. Those are going to fit right into the pouches so the parents can help the kids learn. So again, if you want this will be free on my Patreon page. Free to any member. So you do have to be a member, but it will be free. Yeah, I'm not going to do public stuff anymore. Only stuff for my friends. We opened with this, and I'm still completely amazed by this. So we'll close with this. One last little shot of those wonderful silver stars. Watch for the amazing haul and more Christmas stuff. I think I'm going to do a Christmas version of the Clean and Craft Chat. So lots coming up. You go love up your beastlies. Keep them happy and safe wherever you are. Give them lots of love and extra treats. And we'll see you again soon. You take care. Matik at the lake. Out for now.